Power up your membership with smart maintenance home technology.
Hey, HVAC guy!
Setup is easy and takes just 15 minutes to install. The hardware kit includes 3 sensors and 1 hub. Place the comfort sensor on your customer's return vent. Then, place the filter sensor behind the intake filter. These sensors monitor temperature and pressure. Next, place the water sensor in the drain pan. The water sensor detects if the air handler is backed up or leaking, saving your customer from disastrous water damage. The hub connects to the customer's internet, collects data from the sensors, and sends it back to you. Smart AC uses these readings to predict system breakdowns by alerting customers before they happen. smartac.com. Comfort without concern.